Greetings. Today in this video we will see how you can manage your business's billing, stock entry management, and accounting easily by downloading the Vyapar software on your desktop, laptop or computer and use it easily this way. For this, you will type in www.vyaparup.in on your browser and press the enter key. Once you do this, you'll see our website page, where you can find all information related to Vyapar. Now you will click on download for desktop and allow the download to complete. You'll see your file being downloaded like this. After this, once the file is completely downloaded, you will click on it and allow the software to be installed. Once the software is installed, you'll see a screen like this. Enter your mobile number here and click the complete login button. Your company will be created as soon as you log in, and you will see a screen like this. Now here you can maintain all the details of your business. First we will tell you how and where you'll enter your business's list. For this, click on the My Company option in the left corner. Once you click it, you will see an edit form window like this. Here you will see a place for your business or company's name, business slogan in the business description, and sections to enter the phone number and email ID. Along with this, you can click on the Add Logo option on the left side to add your company's logo. Besides this, to add more information, you will click on More Information, and after filling the details, click the Save button. This way, all your company details will get saved. After this, you have to add your business's products and parties. Or if you'd like, you can create a direct sale as well. Before adding the items and parties, in accordance with your business, you will have to enable and switch on some important settings. For this, click on the Settings option in the left menu. Here you will see General Settings, Transactional Settings for transactions, Transaction SMS settings, Party settings for changes in parties, Item settings related to items, Print settings for changes in print, and Taxes and GST option for tax-related settings. Along with this, let us tell you that if you maintain your products or items MRP-wise, batch number-wise, expiry date, manufacturing date, serial number or IMEI number, size or in any other way or with other details, then you can enable all options from here for your products. So whenever you add any item, you will find all these items, so you can manage your inventory easily. Come on, now let us tell you how you can add your products or items to Vyapar. For this, click on Items in the left menu. Here click on Add your first product to add your first item. On this page you will have to enter all the details of the item in this manner and click the Save button. Here we would like to tell you two things. That after you make all the entries, within the item, like we told you, if you organize your stock as batch-wise, serial number-wise, etc., then you click on Item Tracking Details to enter your details. If one item has multiple batch numbers and MRPs, then you can select Add More to enter more details. For now, we will save the item with simple details. One more important option in Vyapar is that it provides you with a feature to create an online store also. If in the future you would like your products to be shared with your customers through an online store, then don't forget to add product images here, with which your product catalog will be formed. You can add a maximum of 5 images for each product here. After doing that, click the Save button to save these products. Similarly, if you would like to continue adding your products line-wise, then you can also use the Save and New button instead of Save. By doing this, your first item gets saved, and you'll see a new window where you can add one more item. After adding all the items, you'll see the item list in this manner, where you'll be able to see all your items with their available quantities. In the same way, to add parties, you'll click on Parties in the Parties menu. Here, you'll find the option to add your first party by clicking on the Add Your First Party option. On this page, you'll have to enter the details of the party in this way. Here you can enter the party's name, phone number, address, email ID, as well as the party's GST details if the party is registered, unregistered, registered in a composition, along with the party's state. If you select the party as registered, then you will also find the option to enter the party's GST number. For now, we are selecting the party as unregistered. After this comes the party's opening balance. If at the time of adding the party has any balance that you have to take from the party or that the party has to give, can be entered here. For now, as an example, we have kept the party's opening balance as 10,000. If you have to give this money to the party, you will select True Pay, and if you have to get this money, then you will click on True Receive. For now, we will click on True Receive and save this party. If you would like to continue adding more parties, then you can use the Save and New button to add one more party in this manner. After adding all parties, you'll be able to see the party list like this, where the party's name and the available balance to be paid or received will be visible alongside. You can also see the party's transactions here. So in this way, you have added your items and parties on Vyapar. However, here if you'd like your items, products, or parties to be input to your wallet, then that option is also available to you on Vyapar. For this, you will click on the utility option in the left menu and then click on Input Item. After doing this, a window will open where you'll see a download button. You can download the sample format by clicking on this button. Now open the sample format we downloaded in Excel. You'll see the sample format like this. Fill the details of all your items in this format. In this manner, you'll have to update all your items and products on this file. Here we have entered 7 to 8 products for a sample. Once the list is updated, save the file. Once you save it, you'll have to again click on the Utilities option in the left menu on Vyapar and click on the Import option item. Now to upload the file, click on the Click Here to Browse option. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see a screen like this, where you'll see a window with valid items and items with errors. Here you will have to check for any items with errors. If this is the case, you won't be able to import that item. For this, you can open your Excel file once again and make corrections here. Like this error tells us that there are 2 products with the same item code in your list. Like we can see red chili a 105 and ivy a 105. So these items won't be imported because of the same item code. You can correct this error if you'd like by opening the Excel file, editing it, and uploading it again. However, if you don't want these items to be imported, then you would recheck your list of valid items and then click on Import 7 valid items and upload all items. Now we will go to items and see the list you have uploaded. and see that all the items are according to your list are present on the item list, along with their available quantities. Similarly, click on IMOP parties in the utility section, and here you can import your parties in bulk. Now let us tell you how you can create a sale bill in Vyapar. For this, you need to go to the home screen. Here, you'll find an option for Add Sale Invoice. Click on this and a sale form will open up on the left corner, where in the left corner you'll see Sale Come Type. That is an option to select if the sale was made with cash or credit. If the sale was credit based, then you will select credit. If you are creating a cash sale, then you can select the cash option. So for now you can select credit, and here you will enter the name of the customer. For example, like we already have the name Mahesh Traders available in our list, so we will add Mahesh Traders as a customer or as our party. If you'd like, then you can click on Add Party and enter the name and details to create a new party. After this, you'll check the invoice number. If you'd like, you can enter your first invoice number manually here as you like. For example, we will add our invoice number here. For example, we will enter the invoice number 405 here. Along with this, Vyapar gives you one more feature, that you can manage the invoice date by yourself. If you'd like, you can create invoices for backdates also. After this, you'll add the items for which the sale is created over here. And along with that, details like the item's batch number, serial number, item quantity, item price, tax, amount, and all such things can be entered here. After entering all the details of the bill, you can click the Save button. After doing this, you'll see a preview of the invoice, which can be in accordance with your required theme, out of the many themes that Vyapar makes available to you. You can select the theme you want out of a total of 5 options according to what theme you want. After selecting a theme, you can share this invoice over Gmail, SMS, WhatsApp, and share it directly with your customer. If you'd like, then you can click the Print Invoice option to print your invoice or download and save it as a PDF. So this way we learned how you can create your invoice on Vyapar. Besides this, you can click on Add More options, and besides Sale Invoice, add Payment in, Sale Returns, Sale Order, Estimate Quotations, Delivery Chalan, Purchase Bill, Payment Out, Purchase Return, Purchase Order. Expenses can also be maintained. Now let us show you how you can create your own online store on Vyapar. You can share this with your customer as well. For this, you will use the My Online Store option in the left menu on your screen. After clicking on this, you will click on the Create Online Store button. On the next screen, you'll see a list of all your products. Out of these, the products that you want on your online store or in the products catalog can be selected, and then click on Save Item. When you click on Save Item, you'll be asked for login details. Since you are creating your online store for the first time, you will have to log in using any of your email IDs or phone numbers. After the login is completed, click on the Login button. After the login is completed, you'll be able to see a screen like this. Here, your own online store has been created. Here, click on the Edit Store button at the top, and now you can edit or change the information details of your store. After entering the details, click on Save Changes to save the changes that you made. Now, click on the Edit Item List option on the right side. You can also remove items from the store and add new items as well. For example, we are adding a product by the name of red chili. If you want, you can also remove another product from the list. After this, we will click on Save Changes. Upon doing this, your product catalog or online store will be updated. Now if you want, then you can click the Share Store link to share the product catalog with your customers by email, SMS, WhatsApp, or by copying the link and sharing on any other platforms. However, if you want to share only some selected products, then you can select them and click on Share to Items and share only the selected products with your customers. When you do this, your customers will receive a link in a message and they can click on the link to place direct orders. So in this way we learned how on Vyapar we can create our own Karpin, add parties and items, and also how you can create sale invoices and all such transactions. But we all know that in business, along with billing and inventory, accounting is also important, for which we need to work very hard, but Vyapar creates all such accounting reports for you. For this you will click on the reports option present in the left menu. Here you will find all financial reports and daily reports. These reports are updated automatically in accordance with your transactions. Amongst these reports is the transaction report, where besides checking all transactions, you can also check the day book. You can also see the cash flow. Vyapar also provides a profit and loss report to you here, along with balance sheets. All party reports related to the party, including party statement, are automatically available here. Other than that, GST reports. If you are regular registered, then you will see reports according to that. If you are a part of the composition scheme, then in Vyapar settings, select composition scheme under transaction and GST and then make your transactions. On that basis, here in the GST reports, GSTR 3B, 4 and 9 will be also be there. Let's move on where you'll find item and inventory related. Total 7 to 10 types of reports where you can track your stock inventory in every way and maintain a record of that. Like we mentioned earlier, if in your business, the inventory are managed on the basis of manufacturing dates, expiry dates, batch-wise or multiple serial number-wise, then you can easily obtain its tracking items stock tracking report. Other than that, reports for bank statements, a separate report for discounts, and also a tax report for taxes, along with multiple kinds of expense reports for all business expenses will also be provided. Additionally, all information related to income tax on Vyapar can be found in the same purchase job report. If you also have a loan account, then Vyapar provides you a facility to maintain your loan account. You can obtain statements for all your loan accounts from loan statement report. Through these reports, you can keep up with all aspects of your business. In this way, Vyapar simplifies your business management and even saves your time. That's why for business, only Vyapar.